Welcome to Noel Deasy Cars, where we are synonymous as Cork City's only Skoda dealership. But did you know we are also fully authorised by Volkswagen as one of their approved service and repair centres for Volkswagen passenger vehicles and commercial vehicles. Our state-of-the-art workshop is fully equipped with the latest tools and diagnostic equipment sourced directly from Volkswagen. So if you own a Volkswagen vehicle, Noel Deasy Cars can meet all your after-sales needs, anything from routine servicing to specialist repairs and diagnostics. And of course, our parts department is fully stocked with Volkswagen genuine parts and have access to Volkswagen's extensive warehouse across Europe. So if your car needs a service or need any repairs, contact us today on 021 439 5024.